Hello friends, today I would like to share with you a few thoughts on my journey in college life. When I first came to college, I thought it would be easy, that somehow everything would fall into place. But very soon I realized something important. College is like a full-time job. No one is going to knock on your door in the morning and say, "Wake up, it's time to chase your dreams." You have to do that for yourself. I've had days when I feel lazy, when I thought maybe I could skip a class or leave things for tomorrow. But I have also seen those small choices build habits. And habits, my friends, will shape who we become after these years. One thing I have learned is that you don't have to know everything. In fact, nobody does. What matters is the courage to try. The moment you step out of your comfort zone and attempt something new, you grow in ways you never imagined. I used to be afraid of speaking up, of failing, of looking foolish. But the truth is, failure has been one of my best teachers. And here's something personal. There were times I doubted myself, times I felt I was not good enough. But every time I pushed myself to take even a small step forward, I discovered strength I didn't know I had. Progress is not about giant leaps. It's about baby steps taken every single day. I have also learned that you don't walk this journey alone. Talking to professors, sisters, seeking guidance, or even just sharing struggles with friends has made me realize how much support is around me, if only I ask. So today I want to remind all of you, dear friends, that this is our chance. These years in college are not just about grades or certificates. They are about shaping ourselves, our habits, our character, our dreams. So wake up with purpose. Try even when you are unsure. Take risk. Make mistakes, learn, and keep moving. Because some days when you look back, you realize that every small step you took with courage led you to the person you were meant to become.